Christina here at Kaizink, showing you how to load NCR paper into the printer. We're going to go through the whole process of printing the NCR. So first thing you're going to want to see is printing side up. This is actually two-part reverse. So that means we're going to want to take off the bottom sheet, or the top sheet, so we print on the white first.
So take off the top sheet?
Yes, once we get it. So, I don't like to do it all at once because I can't really handle that very well. So we'll do half and half. Good job. And then we want to take off the top sheet. We want to print on a white piece first. We already have our copier set up for that paper. I'm going to come over here to our imposed file, and we're just going to print 2 sheets for now to make sure everything's looking right. So what we've done in Impose is we've said print side down, so that means they're going to come out like this. The one thing you want to check is that we're transferring onto the receipt on the other side. And then you want to make sure you have all your graphic. It's all on the sheet, and you're going to cut this at 8.5, and then we're going to glue it, and we'll show you that in the next video.